How to make YouTube Shorts automation channel with AI only. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you YouTube Shorts automation channel with AI only. If you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is to just create a new channel on your account. So to do that, you just need to head over to settings, and from in there you can click on this add or manage channel, and then wait for it to load, and then this will redirect you to this all channels that you have. So if you want to create a new channel, just click on this. So click on create channel. So let's try to create and then add a channel name. So for me it will be dog daily vids or videos. Then click on I understand, click on create, and then it will ask for your phone number, so in order to verify your account. But if you already created a channel like this one that I have right here, so in here you can see your manage your channels. So if you already created a channel that you want to use, so for me I will use this actual channel, this daily vids right here, and then this will direct me to the daily vids, which is right here. So what you do is just head over to YouTube channel or this YouTube studio. So let's head over to the YouTube studio of this channel. So let's just wait for it to load. Click on continue right here. Click on close, and as you can see, this is my dashboard. This is just a freshly created channel. So if you want to upload a YouTube short using AI, what we need to do is a concept or a picture right here and the branding for our channel. You can use branding using this Discord bot right here, which is the Midjourney, and this is the prompt that we want, cute dog. So let's just send it to Midjourney, and it will actually give us a photo of dog that is from in there. We can apply that to our YouTube channel right here by clicking on this, and then you can also edit your branding using Canva right here. So if you already got your channel set up, what you need to do next is to just find a clip that you want to turn into shorts. So to do that, let's use this clip right here. This is 35-minute video. Just copy the link. Then we can use this opus clip right here. As you can see, one long video equals to 10 viral clips. So just drop the YouTube link right here and click on get free clips right here. So as you can see, it was loading. So let's just wait for it to load right now. So as you can see, you can also get your clips by email. So you can just click on continue with Google right here. Then let's sign in with the Google account. And as you can see, it will direct us back to the Opus clip, where it will generate us the video that we're looking for. So let's just wait for it to load right now. As you can see, we have received 2 upload hours valid for 30 days. And this is the clip that we have added. So let's click on get clips in one click right here. And as you can see, it is fetching videos, which is the video that we have attached. So let's just wait for it to load right now. So as you can see, it is processing and analyzing, and sometimes it will take a long time. So you just need to wait for this in order to process it, and it will provide you actually 10 short clips that you can use and upload in your channel right here. So to upload a video, you just need to click on create right here, click on upload videos, and you can upload the video that you have downloaded in Opus clip right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make YouTube Shorts automation channel using AI only. So, or if you have any question, just put them down below and we'll answer anything. So that's all. Thanks for listening.